Imagine turning a single image into a memorizing video that captures attention instantly. First, take a look. Yes, this video is created by me with free AI tools. Today I'll reveal the ultimate blueprint for transforming images into videos using free AI tool. Take a look of this channel they working on image form content, adding some background music and simply upload their video and earn good money from this. To know how much this channel earned from shorts, copy a username and paste in Social Blade. Look, this channel make last month almost $5,000 from simple uploading this type of video. They upload only 25 videos, hitting almost 5 lakh subscriber and gained over 56 million views in few months. Amazing? This video crossed 32 million views just in a month. So stick around to learn how to do it step by step. Let's jump right in. Step number 1, generate images using AI. Step number 2, turn images into video. And step number 3, edit the video. Step 1, gather your images. If you don't know where to get images and not good in prompting, then follow this method to simply generate a prompt with AI. Take screenshot of all images which are used in this video just like me. For generating prompt, I'm using Poe instead of paid GPT. Drag your images here and write the same as me. Poe give you the exact prompt of generating the images for free. Once you have your prompt, go to Pick Lumen AI and paste it here for images. Choose the expect ratio, 9:16 for shorts. Select the 4 button so you have multiple choice and hit the generate button. This app generate the best images in high resolution free. Free members could be wait for a minute. So that's why I generate my images a day ago. See why I tell you to generate 4 images. Select the better one and save images in your PC. Step 2, turn images into video. Pick a free AI tool to create your video. My top recommendations are Halo AI. Go to this website, sign up for free, and get daily credits. Click on Create button, select Image to Video, and simply upload your images or drag here one by one and hit Generate. It might take time, but give you the best video quality and smoothness in compare of other tool. Okay, the videos are generated. Save into your PC. Step 3, editing. We are using CapCut for easy editing. But first thing first, collect the assets of our video, background music or some sound effect. To edit like a pro and viewer engage to your videos, go to Pixabay, choose music and write simple nature sound. Okay, download it. Same for sound effects. Select your music and effects for related to your video, otherwise video not perform well. Let's go for editing. Import your all assets. Select 9:16 ratio for your video and crop the part of video for removing watermark and adjust them. Arrange sound effects for their related. To elevate your video's quality, apply smooth transitions and effects. Popular options include fade-ins, zooms, and pan effects that keep viewers hooked. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your video. Select the highest resolution available to ensure it looks professional. Okay, our video is grind. Let's see what I cook. Looking interesting? Tell me in the comment for my appreciation. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to turning images into professional videos with free AI tools. If you found this tutorial valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more AI-powered money-making strategies. Comment below on what kind of videos you'll create next. See you in the next one.